Good afternoon. Hi. First, I want to thank YouTube for this teaching learning opportunity. My name is Benjamin Valencia, originally from the USA, and I believe the moment we stop learning, we stop leading. For the past 12 years, I've been teaching English and methodology in South Korea, and I've had the absolute pleasure working with various academies, companies, and government institutions, all who have helped guide students to engage others in English. Some of my clients have included salesmen from Leading Solutions, medical doctors from Guri Hospital, engineers from KEPCO, marketers and distributors from HS Chemical, and DAPA, defense military programmers working with the Korean military. Now, some of my academies that I have worked with include Sogang Language Program, Direct English, Pagoda, Avalon, Times Media, and the English Reading Club. Now, in my 8 years as a TESOL instructor for Times Media, I have learned so much about teaching technique, lesson planning, and communication activities from the nearly 1,000 English students that I helped graduate from the TESOL course. Many of those students even opened up their own English teaching academies. Helping others to teach English, develop teaching skills, confidence is my passion and my business. So if you are a teacher or a student of TESOL, helping others to develop their teaching skills and finding fun ways to teach English is my business and my passion. If you are a teacher of any subject or a student of TESOL, I can help you, show you how you can take apart any book and teach it in a fun and engaging way that will better internalize the language or subject matter for the students. First, I want to share with you a story on Halloween.